this is our figure, the circle, and this is APB is our arc. We have to find the central angle of APB, and AB and BC are equal. This is given from our question. This is an angle APB. Angle ABC is 40 degree and O is the center. After that, we can draw a line from A to O. This is our radius. This AO and OC are equal. From our previous videos, we know that the arc of APB, the central angle is angle AOB. This is our central angle of our arc APB. That is, the central angle of APB is angle AOB. AO is equal to OC because this is the radius of our circle. Here this AO, the length of AO and OC are equal. Here given that ABC is considered as a triangle. If we can draw a line from B to O, we can find two triangles here, and AB is equal to BC. AB is equal to BC. This is given from our question. After that, using the congruency property of the triangle, we can write triangle AOB is equal to triangle COB because these two triangles are equal, because from our question we get AB is equal to BC, and these sides are also equal because these are radius. These are AB is equal to BC are given from our question. Using these two property, we can say that the triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COB, which means that these three sides are equal of the two triangles and their angles are also equal. Using this property, we can write angle ABO equal to angle CBO. Angle ABO equal to angle CBO. These two angles are equal. After that, angle ABO plus angle CBO equal to angle ABC. Angle ABC can be divided into two angles, that is angle ABO and angle OBC. After that, we can add these two angles, we can get angle ABC. Angle ABC, which is equal to 40 degree. This is from our question. Therefore, angle CBO equal to angle ABO equal to 20 degree. Using the congruency property, we can write that angle CBO and angle ABO are equal. So this 40 degree can be divided into equally these two angles. That is, here 20 degree and here is also 20 degree. Therefore, angle COB is equal to angle ABO, which is equal to 20 degree. We know that OB is equal to OA. OB is equal to OA because these are radius. And angle ABO is equal to angle OAB. Angle ABO is equal to angle OAB. These two angles are equal. So this angle is 20 degree. Then we can write this is also 20 degree. Therefore, angle CBO is equal to angle ABO is equal to 20 degree. So using this property, we can write angle OAB is equal to 20 degree. Using these degrees, we can write angle AOB is equal to angle AOB is AOB. We can find this angle. This is the central angle of the arc APB. We know that the sum of these three angles is 180 degree because the sum of a triangle is 180 degree. Using that property, we can write that angle AOB is equal to 180 degree minus 40 degree plus 20 degree. Sorry, 20 degree plus 20 degree. Here this angle is 20 degree and this is also 20 degree. Sum of these three angles is 180 degree. We can find this angle. So we subtract from 180 because sum of these three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Using that property, we can write that 180 degree minus 20 degree plus 20 degree, which is equal to 180 degree minus 20 degree plus 20 degree is 40 degree, which is equal to 140 degree. So our central angle of angle A, arc APB is this is our central angle. This angle is 140 degree. Using the property of a congruency of a triangle and the radius of a circle, so we can prove this result. If you have any doubt about this problem, please comment on my comment button and please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.